Oh yes, yeah. Molweni guys, kwindawo enimamele kuzo. My name is DJ Kels. Yeah, molweni guys, kuzo ndawo enimamele kuzo. Namhlanje ke umgqibelo ke mawufane nomnye umgqibelo. Yeah, imigqibelo ke ifuneka ifane neminye imigqibelo. Igama lami ke ndingusicelo, igama lami ke ngingu-DJ Kels. Uzohlala nami apha Radio Easter River. Yeah, ukhumbule ke xa ungekho okanye xa ungayi-understand uba le way yenziwa kanjani. Uzayiva ngathi ke sikuvisa ke thina ke into ezimnandi, zonke izinto eziqhubekekayo around. But ke anyway, yeah. Kanti ke you can just look at us usikhangele kwindawo zonke osifumana kwizo kwi-platform ezi-different apho khona ke uzawusibona xa usibona ke uthethe nathi exactly ndi-live phaa kwi-Radio Easter River. Radio Easter River ukhumbule it's the leading radio station. It's a leading radio station. It's a leading radio station in the Mara City or in Cape Town. Thank you very much for interacting with us each and every time. Thank you so much. In numbers zenyuka. Yes, Radio Easter River oko. Kebanda ke Cape Town, the weather it's bad. Anyway, it's June, but today at least it's sunny day. Yeah. Molweni guys, abantu be-25 yes. Ndibulisa ke bonke abantu abakhoyo ke around. My name is DJ Kels. You can get us live on Facebook just to say Radio Easter River. Just say Radio Easter River, okay? And then you can join us on TikTok. On TikTok, you find us utinje Radio Easter River. Ku TikTok ujonge profile yetu. You will see our logo and then you will interact with us. Thank you very much for interacting with us. You can find us out on Radio Easter River, COZA, on the website, or maybe you want to stream live so that is you can get the quality. This is good, man. You can just check us on Radio Easter River. Uzokwazi ke ukusifumana. See live, guys. Anyway, my name is DJ Kels. Okay. Of course, you can just experience the equality right on the app. You can download our app. That way, Pinai platform, you can download and get the experience and then download a Radio Easter River app. And then you'll see us. Maybe you go to those smart device. Yes, maybe you are using a phone, you are using anything. You can get us there. We are there as a Radio Easter River. Molweni guys, my name is DJ Kels. Zohlala nawe ke imini yonke. Ndimane ke ndikuvisa ke into ezimnandi. Ndithi kuwe nansi into emnandi. Yes, ndithi thatha lento. Imnandi. Yeah. My name is DJ Kels. Ngizohlala nawe ke imini yonke. Ndiqala ke xa ndikuvisa nje into ezimnandi ukwenzela uba nawe uzive izinto ke zimnandi. Kanti ke if ever you miss one of the shows, you wanted to listen, maybe you said, look, I was in a funeral, I was in my birthday, maybe I was still sleeping while your show was starting. You can also check us on all platforms in terms of the podcast. Kuzo zonke areas, you can just find us there, If you check in the podcast, you'll find us in many platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Deezy, and etc. Maybe ukuthi mhlawumbe ikuphazamisile okanye awifumananga le show, you can check us, and then you just write there, and then you write Radio Easter River in one word, Radio Easter River, no space, no anything. Radio Easter River, and then you can listen to us in any platform. Thank you so much for interacting with us, and then siyavuya man ngokusimamela every time, siyayithanda lonto leyo, and kuthi yinto enkulu ukumanyelwa nguwe. Qhubekeka ke usimamela kwindawo zonke ke enimamele kuzo. Mina ke enza kuphathela i-trends ndiphathele ke yonke into ekhoyo around. Kanti ke you can WhatsApp us on 064 Yes, 5369095. Let me repeat the number if ever you want to send some voice note. Okanye mhlawumbe kanye umzekelo usend anything that is you wanted to send. You can check us as we are live. Okay. Anyway, yes, you can check us on 064-536 and then 9095. If ever you want to advertise your business, maybe you are the business person or you are any artist, or no man, I'm artist, but again, market I'm doing the business, but I don't have any platforms to advertise, and then and was platform. This is your time. You can come and advertise. That's what is most important. Okay, my name is DJ Kels. You can advertise any business you wanted to do. Maybe you do the medicines, maybe you do the cosmetics, maybe you do the brands, like you are printing logos, you are printing anything that is you are doing the construction. Any sector, it's welcome to send us so that we can market your business in this platform. But what you can do, you can send the email to our marketing team. You can say admin radio Isteriva COZA. Let me repeat it. You can send anything that is you wanted to send in terms of the business, in terms of anything that is you wanted to be marketed in this platform or in this radio station. What you can do, you can just send any email to admin radio Isteriva COZA. Okay, let me repeat it. Maybe you didn't understand. Admin at radio Isteriva COZA. Siyabulela ke guys, yes uhlala nani ke iba into emnandi ukuthi oko sinivisa kamnandi, sinivisa into ezimnandi. Mina I will just take you ndikubeke endaweni. Sihamba sobabini ke ngelixesha la ngoku uyazi ba ke ndingumuntu wekhwayito, ndikuvisa nje into ezimnandi ndikuthathe pha ndikubeke pha, ndikuthathe pha ndikubeke pha kuse Elimos. So siya ke apho siyakhona ke ndikuvisa trends, ndikuvisa indaba ezikhoyo. Yes, ndikuvisa ke mina ke into zonke ezikhoyo around the world. Okay, masibe sonke ke namhlanje uhlale nathi njengoba sawuhlala nawe. You can just do that by doing that by following us in any platforms. Okay, Goosey. Oh, singenile bethuna ningaphakathi ndise radio. Yeah, my name is DJ Kels. Masala bami ke imini yonke. For sure. And zonke izinto zitrend. Ow.